Hello guys, and welcome to my video. Today I am going to show you how to make a kill brick in Roblox Studio. First, spawn a part. I'm going to move it so it is easier to see. Insert a script into the part. In the script, type the following. You can name the script whatever you would like. Do the same with the part. Now I am going to change the color and material to my liking. You can change this to what you want. That is all. Remember to like and subscribe, but only if you found this video useful.